Storyline Tales.
Hello, little friends. Today's story is about the sneezing elephant and pumpkin helmet goat. One day in a busy market, people are selling fruits and veggies, kids running around. Everyone was busy before the elephant shows up. Elephant peeking shyly into the market, shopkeepers freezing in surprise. Elephant sneezes, ACHLOOO. Vegetables fly into the air like fireworks. A goat standing with a pumpkin stuck on its head, looking shocked. Crowd laughing at the sight. Elephant tried to apologize, holding out a little flower with its trunk. The shopkeeper was looking grumpy but starting to smile. Goat sniffing and scrunching its face inside the pumpkin helmet. People in the market covering their heads in fear. And then the goat sneezes too. Baachoo. A second wave of vegetable chaos, even messier than the elephant's sneeze. Entire market a silly, colorful mess. Elephant giggling, goat proudly keeping its pumpkin helmet, and everyone laughing together. That's the end of our story. If you like it, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.